Day 88 of the rest of my life. 88 days ago, I quit my corporate job to pursue my passion of starting our successful clothing brand MUEL and to show you that when you align your passions with your purpose, everything and anything is possible. Today, on day 88, you know what I did? 2 back-to-back shifts. I worked 7 to 3 at my first job and 3 to 6 at the second. Again, I do not recommend working 2 jobs to get your business off the ground. I suggest working with the funds that you already have and building up. But this is not a teaching moment. This is a moment of me sharing my journey with you and sharing my pitfalls and my mistakes, but also allowing you to learn from what I'm doing and the mistakes that I'm making and the successes that we are having. So, work 2 jobs today, extremely tired. Only thing pushing me forward is knowing that I'm saving up for the things that I need for the business and for the goals that I have set out for us. And that is the only thing that is keeping me going. The only thing that is stopping me from making terrible decisions is sticking to the routine, coming home, making sure that I'm working out, making sure that I'm taking care of myself. Even though I've been eating a little bit bad lately, still making sure that I'm taking care of myself as much as possible and preparing my mind and my body for the work that I have to put in every single day, going to 2 jobs and pushing towards this goal. So today, I just wanted to come on here and try not to teach, get back to telling you guys about my journey, about some of the things that I'm getting involved in, some of the things that I'm learning. Today, I had the opportunity to speak with one of my managers who is an entrepreneur himself, very intellectual, very well informed in the businesses that he's in. And that's due to his experience and his willingness to learn, his willingness to find the information, his willingness to read in his downtime. Even when he was working at a desk job similar to what I'm doing now, he was spending that downtime reading and learning about the businesses that he eventually created. And I want to do that myself. I want to get more into the space of continuing to learn even when I'm at these jobs, because there's a lot of downtime. The time that is spent at that desk is not all work. Most of the time I'm just sitting there playing on the computer, playing games. Don't tell my boss. But most of that time I'm spending doing nothing. So instead of just sitting there, I'm going to bring some books. I'm going to make sure that I get some wireless headphones, some very cheap headphones, so I can listen to audiobooks when my manager's not around, and then also get some physical books also, just said also 3 times in a row, to bring to the desk and flip through and learn when I have downtime. Another thing that I learned from speaking with my manager today was the importance of information. And I was picking his brain and learning from him about the businesses that he's already created. And I was asking him about the books he read, some mistakes he made, and inevitably it was just pushing through those times and giving his customers and his clientele what they wanted. And that is how he has succeeded in business thus far. He told me an example when the books in the shop started becoming more popular. Instead of having a tiny bookshelf, he created a whole wall of books. Instead of, having one product that is not doing so well, maybe he invested into the products that were doing well, which were the books. So giving the people what they want, giving them what is asked for is extremely important, and knowing exactly what your people want from you and what they expect is how you will succeed in whatever you are selling, whatever business you are running. That is the information passed on from a successful business person and an entrepreneur. Don't take it from me. We are not there yet, but we will be. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you share this with someone who is not doing enough learning. We all need to learn more. And the things that we say we are passionate about, the things that we say is our purpose, the things that we're going after. And I want you guys to share this with someone who is a fake expert at what they are saying they are the best at, or what they're saying they know a lot about, and tell them to dive even deeper. We here at MUEL will continue to dive into business, continue to dive into clothing brand, continuing to dive into different ways how to make money through e-commerce platforms, and we will learn that information and pass it along throughout the community so we can all benefit from what we're learning. I want you guys to drop in the comments one book that was pivotal in your journey throughout your life, whether it's a business book, a self-help book, fiction, nonfiction, whatever it is. Drop in the comments and make sure you like, and let's win from within today. Back at work tomorrow, only a 4-hour shift. Got to get to it. Only thing pushing me forward is this. Thank you guys so much. See you tomorrow.